Thank you for joining Wars of the Rosies. And this is Constitution of a Lodge from the Encyclopedia of Freemasonry by Albert G. Mackey. Constitution of a Lodge. Any number of Master Masons, not less than 7, being desirous of forming a new lodge, having previously obtained a disposition from the Grand Master, must apply by petition to the Grand Lodge of the state in which they reside, praying for a charter or warrant of constitution to enable them to assemble as a regular lodge. Their petition being favorably received, a warrant is immediately granted, and the Grand Master appoints a day for the consecration and for the installation of its officers. The lodge having been consecrated, the Grand Master or person acting as such declares the brethren to be constituted and formed into a regular lodge of free and accepted Masons. After which, the officers of the lodge are installed, and this declaration of the Master, accompanied with the appropriate ceremonies, consists the constitution of the lodge. Until a lodge is thus legally constituted, it forms no component of the constituency of the Grand Lodge, can neither elect officers nor members, and exists only as a lodge under dispensation at the will of the Grand Master. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and comment. And if you can, please consider donating to Wars of the Rosies. Links to PayPal and Patreon are in the description. Thank you so very much.